Pratham and I got into like a huge fight. So I remember I just could not chill with her. Like, and I think till date he also doesn't know why, but it was because is this TMI and is this disgusting as fuck? I don't know it. Hi guys, and welcome to another sit down video. Basically, you obviously read by the title, I'm going to be talking about my insecurities. I literally just thought about this topic this morning because I am going to get my period, okay? And during my period, my brain just starts playing all these games. जैसे कल मैं कॉफ़ी पी थी, कॉफ़ी पीते पीते मैं रोने लग गई. कोई रीज़न ही नहीं है, बस मैं कुछ सोचा मैं रोने लगी. So I was like, and then I was also like thinking about myself a lot, my body, and like just stuff I don't like. And then I was like, a lot of people, a lot of girls especially go through this, and I know those girls. So I was like, ठीक है, I'll sit down and make this video and tell you everything. I don't think I've ever said this in a video, and I don't think I've pointed my insecurities out because number one, I highly believe that if you point it out to anyone, they start noticing it more. Like जब तक मैंने बोला नहीं होगा तब तक कुछ बातें ऐसी होंगी जो आपको शायद पता भी नहीं होंगी. बहनचोद इस बात से क्यों इसको फर्क पड़ता है? So that's the thing, that it's all in your head. But I would never do this in real life ऐसे. But since I know that there are a lot of young girls watching me and it might just help you. So that's the point of this video. And I'm going to start from the beginning, like since before puberty, during puberty, and then till now. Now, starting with when I was 14. So I've already mentioned it multiple times that I was super skinny. मैं 5'6" हूँ अभी, and इवन लाइक 8th 9th में मैंने अपनी प्रॉपर हाइट गेन कर ली थी. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई वेट, सॉरी, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई हाइट, माई वेट इज़ ऑलवेज सपोज टू बी लाइक बिटवीन 55 to 60. ठीक है. Now in school, like when I was 14 15, I was 43 44. तो मैं मेरी हड्डियाँ बाहर दिखती थी बहुत ज़्यादा. Now the thing is that I wasn't bothered about it. Like I was like, हाँ ठीक है, whatever. Until people started saying that. Like I remember one of our friends was like trying to lose weight that time, and she was like, मुझे इतना भी नहीं करना कि मैं इसकी तरह दिखने लग जाऊँ. तो मुझे लगा, man, जो मैंने क्या किया? Like why am I catching strays for no reason? And then obviously I live in a joint family, okay? So like we have like over 20 people in our houses. So it's just that they would also say stuff, कुछ खा ले, कुछ खाती, इतना खाती है फिर भी तेरा वेट नहीं बढ़ता, इतना खाती है फिर भी तू बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ऐसी लग रही है, बिल्कुल ऐसी. So whenever someone does this now, I just get annoyed, and I do it too, but it's just like it reminds me of that time. So that time I was very aware of my body, but not in a way that I hated it, just that I knew that I was a child, but I wanted to grow up. Like I wanted to have some boobs, I wanted to have some ass, because that time it was also I think 2016 के आसपास, 2016 2018 I think, that you know, the Kardashian body type and all these body types were like really trending, and BBL was trending and all that stuff. And that time I had like just gotten onto the internet, so I would see people with like these juicy tits and juicy boobs, juicy tits and juicy asses, and I'd be like, I don't have that. Like, see, in hindsight I was a child, but अगर मैं उस idea से आपको बताऊँ तो I was like, I don't have that. Like I am flat, as they say. And then I was like, okay, while I was affected by it, it was still all in my head, okay. And this one time I remember, मैं tuition से वापस आई थी, and there was this guy like जो हमारे batchmate था. I wouldn't call him a friend, but you know, like in school everybody's just your friend because you know everyone. Like we were going to a market after our tuition, and then वहाँ पे ना एक लड़का दिखा जो आई थिंक बहुत पतला था. So that guy was like, ओ ये तो बिल्कुल प्रियांशी की तरह दिख रहा है भाई, तू भी तो इसी की तरह बिल्कुल पतली और फ्लैट है. That's when I was like, how can you say that to me? Like I was just like, और ऊपर से I was surrounded by boys, so I didn't want to say anything again. Like I knew that time also that if I say it out loud, then it becomes real. So I didn't say anything to that guy, and till date I remember it. Like till date, like he doesn't even exist to me, but I remember what he said to me. So then I became very conscious, especially of like my taras, and I would go on YouTube and I would search how to grow your tits naturally, because obviously no one was gonna get me a BBL get you whatever boob job. Anyway, मैं फिर online देखती हूँ, ठीक है, and I don't even know if it's true or not, but since it's embedded in my brain, I remember that there were these videos that said that if you apply like lots and lots of Vaseline, and then if you just massage your tits and then like just, I don't know, do whatever, and then like I don't know, do whatever with it, like massage and shit. It grows. So I was like, oh my god, okay. And then that time I didn't even have my room. Okay, I used to sleep with my grandmom because my granddad had passed away. So like no one in our family wanted her to sleep alone, so I would sleep with her. And I remember मैं रात को वो जो छोटी सी वैसलीन की डिब्बी नहीं होती है वो ले लेके like I would just keep applying it on my fucking chest in like भरी गर्मी, like दिल्ली की गर्मी में I would just keep doing that and massaging it or whatever. Like, is this TMI and is this disgusting as fuck? I don't know. I don't know if you will relate, but this is just something I went through. And I did it for like I think a week or two, and then I just got bored because, well, I was still unbothered. So it didn't work. By the way, if anyone's like मैं करके देखती हूँ, पहली बात तो मैंने ऐसे कोई नापा भी नहीं था, but I don't think it worked. And I really expected it to as a child. So yeah, like that was one thing, and this stayed till I was 17. And then in seven, like during I think after boards or something, I started going to the gym and I started eating a lot. So a lot of people asked me how I gained weight. I didn't necessarily do anything. Like, see, I was taking a few medical medications, like medicines, because मेरे I think liver में या कुछ तो था हो गया. So I would like take this specific tablet that I don't want to take the name because then I don't want you to like go and buy it if it's not prescribed to you. That sort of just like made me feel hungry. It increased my appetite, and then I was like, okay, fine, I will eat now. Then I would like eat a lot, have a lot of banana shakes, have a lot of egg, and go to the gym. And I think again that didn't work. Like I don't think that's what worked. I think I just grew up. Like I got out of that puberty, like pre pubescent whatever phase, and then I went through puberty, and then I was like 17ish. So I was like, okay, so my body started gaining weight on its own. So I went from 45 to 50, and so I'm going to attach a few pictures here and there to show you how I looked during that phase. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm going to do it. And then I remember when I touched 50, I was like crazy, like oh my god, like my vibe. It was a dream come true. ठीक है मैं बहुत खुश थी. There was nothing wrong with my body. I think my metabolism has just always been very fast. So I was one of those lucky people that जो जितना भी खा लो उनका weight नहीं बढ़ता. But when you're in that situation, you don't find yourself lucky. You just get annoyed that the grass is always greener on the other side. You get annoyed कि she looks like that and I don't. When I became when I turned 17, that I would say I think I was at like 53, 54, and I think that for me that was like my perfect body type because I remember feeling very confident during that era. Maybe because I was unhinged as fuck, but also because I just like really liked my body and I was finally aligned with the trends going around. Like I still didn't have a BBL, I still didn't like grow a lot like proper boobs and stuff. But I don't know, that when it's hard to admit it, but because you're on the internet throughout and you see 500 bodies, like you wake up, you open your Pinterest or you open your Instagram, you scroll and then you just see so many different body types, and then whenever you find something that's like even remotely related to yours, then you just become happy. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. So at 17, 18, I was like quite happy with myself, and then I moved to college. All hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. So I mean, if you're new to my channel, then you probably don't know, and you should check out my story times. But I was going through hell, right? Like I didn't have a roof over my head. I was eating bahar ka khana. I was stressed. I had backlogs. I couldn't whatever. मैं attend नहीं कर पाई थी college, and I was just going through it. Okay, so my stress levels and my cortisol level was just through the roof. Like I actually, now that I understand, I actually did have that cortisol phase, and I didn't know that. Okay, I was just like eating. I remember Rolls King के roll खाती रहती थी मैं पूरा time because that was like the cheapest thing I would get. पूरा time vada pav because obviously I was in Maharashtra and I was on a student budget, right? So anyway, so I was in just living in very bad condition that I was sleeping on someone's couch for a while and then they kicked me out and all that stuff. You guys mostly already know. उसके बाद जब मैं घर गई, this is like literally within 3 months. I think I came to Pune in March, and this I'm talking about like during Diwali I went back home. So I think 6 months. ठीक है, I went back home and I was okay. Like I was like fine, ठीक है, happy I'm going back home. And then whenever I come home, no, I like that time at least I went and I met everybody because that was like my first time living outside house. And then I'm anyways very vocal और मैं इतनी बकचोदी करती रहती हूँ, आप लोगों को पता ही है. So a lot of like my family obviously missed me, and then like I'm talking about my whole family, like 20 people. And so I would like just come home, drop my bags, and then like go meet everybody in their houses. तो मेरे को याद है the first house I entered, they were like, ओए तू तो बहुत भर गई है, बहनचोद गोलगप्पा हूँ क्या, भर गई है, like what the hell. And then I was like, oh हाँ मेरा तो weight थोड़ा सा gain हो गया है. तो I didn't know that, like I just said it as if I knew. And then I went to the other house and they're like, oh, क्या हो गया प्रियांशी, ओए ओए तू क्या हो गया वहां पे पुणे में तेरा पेट। मैं लाइक डैम भाई, लाइक ऐसा क्या हो गया कि सब लोग आते ही मेरे को हाय हेलो भी नहीं, पहले खुद सीधा बोल दिया कि ओ भाई तू तो बड़ी मोटी हो गई है। एंड आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट सी इट। एंड देन मैं घर गई तो माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो स्टार्टेड सेइंग इट, एंड देन आई फाइनली वेंट ऑन द scale and I saw that before leaving Pune I think I was 53 54 as I told you, and then that time on the scale I was like 60.5, and I was like बहन की छूत। Like, and for me, like, you guys have to understand that for me, it was very hard to gain weight. So it wasn't that मैंने खाना खा लिया और मुझे लगा कि खाना खाने के बाद भी आपका वेट कैसे गेन नहीं होता बाहर का, बट मैं इतना गंद वंद खाती रहती थी, बट मेरा वेट कभी गेन होता ही नहीं था। सो फॉर मी it was more like कि is this even my body? So that I think October of 2022, I became so conscious about my body. I was like, fuck, this is so fucked. And then I realized that okay, I have gained weight. It's sort of when I also became like very insecure because like people started pointing it out. And like, so my face, even if I lose all my weight, no, my face will always be chubby, and it's just been like that. And whatever, like there's nothing I can do about it. And now frankly I don't want to do anything about it because I like it, but that's just always how it's been. So but during that time, since my stress levels were so high, you could like literally see matlab, my face being bloated and not in a cute cheeky way. So then I got the worst case of body dysmorphia. And then that time in Pune I had a flat with my roommate, and then Pratham, my boyfriend, had a flat with his roommate. Okay, now we know the difference between girl flats and boy flats, right? But I would still always and unka to 1 BHK tha, so like they would all sleep together, and I would still request him that oh let's just sleep at yours, oh मेरे घर पे light नहीं है, मेरे घर पे ये नहीं है, like तेरे घर से ये जगह पास है, let's just sleep at yours, जबकि हम लोग मुश्किल से I think 200 मीटर दूर रहते होंगे. But I would always stay at his, and I think till date he also doesn't know why, but it was because since I was a girl and I was living with a girl, we had a lot of mirrors in our house, and he didn't because like उनके सिर्फ वो washroom में एक mirror था. So that time I like it helped me because I didn't want to look at myself. So when I was staying at his place, I didn't look at myself a lot in the mirror because when there's a mirror, you always like you go check yourself out. But अब उसके घर पे था ही नहीं mirror, तो फिर मैं करती नहीं. Like I hated clicking pictures. Like imagine me, like that's my job, but I hated clicking pictures. I hated making videos. I hated everything. I still did it because I was not going to let it overpower me. But yeah, that happened, and yeah, that was what I was going through. Also, this continued till the end, like till the end of college. At least जब तक मुझे मेरी डिग्री नहीं हाथ में मिली थी, तब तक मेरा स्ट्रेस लेवल, like I would always be anxious, and like I got an anxiety attack also during that stage. So I was just always so fucking anxious. Like मुझे I always had my flight or fight mode on. Like मुझे लगा कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. So my body was just holding on to this fat because it thought that we were in like a position that it might not get food again, like if you know you know. So anyway, this continued and it got better on its own, and I'll get to that later. But again, during that stage, now when I was in college only, I would like to tell you a little more stuff. I hate admitting this stuff, by but I'm just going to do it. Like any sane person, right, like any same person, I also went, like when I liked Pratham and we weren't even together, like we were just like in just friends, you know. So I would go and like I would stalk his all the girls he was ever interested in, like be it models, be it his real like real girls, keh rahi hu, matlab whatever he's girls he's been with or girls he's liked or whatever, and the type of girls he likes. So मैं उसके likes वाइक्स में से ऐसे सब कुछ ऐसे देख रही थी. So I realized that all those girls are very completely opposite of me because they're very I don't know if it's right to say, but like they're short and they're petite and they're like feminine, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it's just that I am not that. Like imagine you like a boy and then his type is just the complete opposite of you. So and he was like, I don't even know if that was that time, I didn't know if that was his type, but I just assumed, okay, I assumed that that is the reason why we're not together yet. वरना मैं तो एक महीने में इसको whatever. So I started thinking about that a lot, okay, and then he never knew it, and during this phase he would like wait outside class for me for hours. Like he would bring me umbrellas and stuff. Like जो भी आप just friends होके नहीं करते हो वो सब वो कर रहा था. But in my mind, like back, like deep down, because I was also very insecure about my body that time and like my face and everything. I was like, why is he doing it? Like I was very confident. This is like 20% of my thoughts, but some days it just really overpowers. So I was like, why is he doing this for me? Like I'm not his type. Like, and I never said it to him, but I always like I knew it. Okay. And then like during this time whenever I would come back home, no, तो मेरे घर के पास there's this friend of mine who is exactly like that. Like who's like petite and like not that outspoken. Like मेरी तरह नहीं, like she's an introvert and she's like a girly girl, and you know, like again there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that I'm not that. So I like how introverts don't know how extroverts think and like how extroverts just be. It's the same case with extroverts. So anyway, so whenever I'd come home and I would meet her, no, I would notice everything about her. Like I would notice that she's smart, she's pretty, she's petite, she's feminine, she doesn't like वो इतनी गालियाँ नहीं देती है, वो इतनी बक बक नहीं करती है मेरी तरह. So I sort of convinced myself that that's how I should be, but I just am not. That became another one of my insecurities, that I talk this much. And it wasn't even about Pratham anymore. I think it was just about like I was obsessed with being something I wasn't. So it started becoming about me, and then that made it worse, because when it's about a boy you're like fuck it bro, like if he likes me, likes me, if he doesn't. But when it's like about you and you start wanting to change yourself, not because it's good for you but because you see other people being that way, I think that's when it gets a little toxic. So I remember I just could not chill with her. Like I could not. I hate to admit it, but like she would come to my house and I would just always keep staring at like her body, her arms, her face, and how she spoke and how she like interacted with my parents and like how sweet she was. And I was like, damn, I will never be you. Like I just, even if I tried, I would just not be like that. And that really bothered me that time. And like to a point where I stopped hanging out with her. Like मैं ये सोचने लगी थी कि छोड़, like I would make excuses just because I didn't want to hang out with her. Yeah, that was a very dark phase in my life. Now 2 years later, okay, this is like a few months ago, Pratham and I got into like a huge fight for बहुत चूतिया रीजन से. हमारी लड़ाइयाँ अगर आप सोचोगे ना, बहुत बहुत चूतिया रीजन से होती है कि वो हमने साथ में बर्गर मंगवाया था, एक बंदे ने नहीं खाया. लाइक वो बहुत लाइक जस्ट नो सर पैर उन लड़ाइयों का. ठीक है, तो हम ऐसी कोई गांडू लड़ाई में घुसे. इट्स नॉट द टॉपिक ऑफ द लड़ाई दैट makes it worse. It's how you communicate after. And as I said, I'm too outspoken. Like I can't keep anything in. Like I'm telling you the most vulnerable stuff about me right now. And so that whenever I fight with him also, like whenever we fight, like I just say everything, and I think so does he. So वो कुछ ऐसे ही बोल रहा था कि so why did you do this and something like why are you doing this, कुछ ऐसा. तो there was a why. So I just went ahead and I asked him, why are you even with me? Like I'm not even your type. And he was like like this is out of syllabus. तो मुझे बोल रहा है कि what the fuck are you talking about? Like when did I ever say that? And I was like, no, you never said that, but I just know. I just know. I've known it. Okay, I don't say it, but I've known it. And I think that was the first time in my relationship I've seen the man so confused. He's just like, yeah, like it's like we're eating and I'm suddenly like, oh, I'm going to Italy tomorrow, and you're like, what? Like, just, you know, two completely different things. So then I told him, and then I just started crying. I think I was about to get my period that time, but I just started bawling my eyes out, and I was like, I'll never be your type. I'm not that sweet. I'm not the girl you bring home to your family. I'm not the girl who just is like, you know, कि whatever, like मतलब मैं ऐसी गालियाँ देती रहती हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ. तो he was just like, but you've met my family, you've met everyone, you've met my grandparents, you've met my uncle, aunt, my sisters, मेरे सारे, like there's no one you haven't met. And then like it didn't help. क्योंकि मैं अपना दिमाग इतना बना चुकी होती हूँ कि वो कुछ भी कहे मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं आता. फिर धीरे धीरे like he started explaining that this is just, I don't understand why you're saying this, and then I was like, you would not, because you're not a girl, and girls I think, I don't know, like if you get it, just let me know. I feel alone in this and I don't talk about this. But yeah, like so he was just super confused, and then I just started crying, and then he obviously comforted me, and then he was like, it's never been that way. Like I like you because you are outspoken and you say it out loud and you're whatever, and चल वो तो obviously he will say it because he likes me also, likes me, he loves me. But and that's why like even 2 years later, even though I've like gotten so much better, like अब मेरे को कोई stress नहीं है, and I don't hate my body anymore, like, and I love looking in the mirror, and I love, like, I'm the complete opposite of who I was in college. There's still some phases और ऐसा कुछ time तो आता ही है when you just can't not think about it and you're just going through it, and then yeah, like, that's why I wanted to talk to you about this also. So, and also that I might seem the most confident on Instagram, like a very confident baddie or whatever. At least that's how I also see myself. Okay, like 80% of times I see myself this way only. Ki bhai, तू ही है जो है, like मैं ही हूँ जो हूँ. But then the fucking 20%, the other 20% just is not good, and that's what I was going through a bit recently. Not because my body changed or my face changed, it's just hormonal also, and you start thinking about stuff, and I don't want to put like a label to it. हो गया भाई, सोचते हैं, सब सोचते हैं ऐसा. So now since I remember that I was the most confident when I was 17, the only difference between her and me now, at least like अगर मैं academics और ये सब career वरियर हटा दूँ, is how like I looked, my body looked. Even though I was like super confident then, and I'm still fucking confident. Like, I'm possible I might even be like as confident as that, because that was like my cuntiest self ever. The only difference is like the body. So I started taking a diet, which I think you guys know about. मैं अपने broadcast और अपने YouTube short पे भी डाल चुकी हूँ एक बार. Not because I fucking wanted to lose weight and I wanted to become skinny like that. I mean, obviously I want to be like a little tone, like, the model Kendall Jenner physique, but not because I hated my body. So I wanted to do it because I am still very confident, but just if there's one thing I think about the most is that past self of mine who did not give a fuck. Because see, right now I still don't give a fuck, but that time I just really did not give a fuck. Like, I would go around slapping people if they said something about me, and now I don't think I would slap them. I would still fucking clock that shit, but I wouldn't slap them. So I think that maybe if I go back to that physique, it might make me feel that way. I don't know, like my body, mind. I just feel that way. Like, if because that time my body was so toned, I was going to the gym and all that. I felt nice about myself, and I think if I do that now, I will feel nice about myself. So I started taking a diet because I was again back at 60, which is a weight that my body was stuck on for so long. वो हमेशा 58 to 60 के बीच में ना ऐसे जगल होता रहता था, depending on whatever my cycle and shit. So this time, like, properly I was like, ठीक है, मैं बैठ के अच्छी proper diet ले रही हूँ, and I'm not going to just eyeball it, because इससे पहले भी जब मैंने diet लिया तो so it's all worked for me, and mostly it was about like gaining and losing थोड़ा थोड़ा. But this time I really want my body to be toned, and like I want to go to the gym, I want to have abs and stuff. So मैंने proper दोबारा उनसे जिनसे मैं ली थी पहले, I took like a professional diet, and it's been like 3 weeks, and I'm really seeing results in my body, and it just makes me feel so fucking confident. Like, I want to wear more of these tops that I was comfortable wearing, but I just wasn't so pro it. Like, I wasn't so excited about it. So I think that way it's helping me. So I think one thing, I think करती रही लौड़ी गई की. Again, I think that one thing that maybe you should take from this video is that if you think that कुछ भी करने से, like, if it's your body, if it's your hair, if it's your mind, if it's your career, whatever, if you think that you constantly are thinking about how it was or how it would be, like a proper thing कि उस अगर मैं मेरे इतने मार्क्स आ गए या मैं इतना पढ़ने लग गई तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, अगर मैं मेरे बाल मैंने लाल कराए तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Like, if you're constantly thinking about it, then just fucking do it. Like, do it, because at the end of the day, 1,000 people can come and tell me that I'm pretty, but I would not believe it if I don't see it. And that's literally what was happening during college also, because it's not like I suddenly became someone else and then everybody was like, what the fuck, ये कैसी दिख रही है, इसको क्या हो गया. It was more about how I perceived myself. So if you think that changing anything about yourself is just going to make you even 1% more confident, do it. It's worth it. Like, really, कोई और आपको जितना आके कुछ भी बोल दे, if you don't see it, you don't see it. And yeah, that was the heavy part of the insecurities. Now let me come to like a few chill parts before I end this video. First thing, ठीक है, you guys already know my eyebrows. Now the thing is that I was never fucking insecure about it, but some biatches on the internet, they started pointing it out. Oh वाह, तेरी eyebrow क्या हो गया. मैं 100 बार बता चुकी हूँ भाई, मैंने बचपन में उड़ा दी थी, and I was like, ठीक है भाई, हो गया तो हो गया. Like, I honestly I love my eyebrows, ठीक है. Like, अभी मैंने fill कर रखी है because it got to me, the comments got to me. तो मैं थोड़ी थोड़ी fill कर देती हूँ, but I don't like fill it up properly. Like, here there's no filling, बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे filling है. तो मुझे तो पहली चीज़ तो ये कि मैं आई वॉज नेवर इनसिक्योर अबाउट माई आईब्रोज, बट द थिंग इज दैट दिस लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई फेस इज लाइक, आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी, बट ये थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ है एंड दिस इज नॉर्मल. सो लाइक if you see this, I don't know if you can see, but ये ऐसे उठा हुआ है. It's like snatched. And this part isn't as snatched. Like this is more dough and this is siren. So I just, some days I'm really bothered by the symmetry of my face. I'm like, man, जो यही चीज़ अगर यहीं भी कॉपी हो जाती है, ये चीज़ यहाँ कॉपी हो जाती है, तो क्या दिक्कत थी? But again, it's not something I hate. It's just a silly insecurity, whatever. Like it's not like I am so bothered about it. Then number two is that when I laugh, okay, like when I'm laughing, ha ha ha, so I get these like lines. These are called tiger lines. So this is when I'm like LOLing, laughing out loud. तो ये जो लाइन आ जाती है ना, भाई ये मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगती थी. Like अब I don't give a fuck about it, but ये जब मुझे लगता था कि भाई मैं लाइक जब लोग हंसते हैं उनके इतने प्यार प्यार डिम्पल आए, भैंचो मेरे मुंह पे लाइन एक वो के डेंट कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? So another, this was another silly insecurity which wasn't that silly when I was a child, but now I don't care about it. Number three again, like about laughing, is that see this is my smile that I do with you, like hey hi how are you, ठीक है? But this when I if I'm laughing, then this is my मेरे नीचे के दांत, एक तो नीचे के दांत सारे हिले हुए हैं. मेरे को कभी ब्रेसेस नहीं कराने by the way because I like वाबी साबी. बट हाँ, मेरे नीचे के दांत ये ऐसे इसलिए हैं क्योंकि मैं अपने दांत खुद तोड़ती रहती थी बचपन में. लाइक थोड़ा सा हिलने आया मैं तोड़ देती थी, अपना भी तोड़ देती थी, अपने भाई का भी तोड़ देती थी, और पूरे स्कूल में खून खून लेके घूमती रहती थी. बट एनीवे, दैट वाज दैट. तो अब जब मैं हंसती हूँ, इट्स नॉट अबाउट हाउ माय टीथ आर, इट्स जस्ट दैट मेरा पूरा जबड़ा खुल के हंसी. लाइक आई एम लाइक दिस इज हाउ आई लाफ नॉर्मली. लाइक पूरे 32 के 32 दांत दिख जाते हैं मेरे. एंड मेरे को नहीं पसंद वो, जब मैं नॉर्मल वीडियोस वगैरह में देखती, मैं देखती कि भाई इतना बड़ा मुंह खोल के क्यों हंस रही है, भाई ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है. तो this is something that still bothers me till now, like little bit. Earlier it used to bother me a lot, but one thing that helped me go through it are actually you guys, because whatever edits like you all make of me when I'm laughing and stuff, and then I see that, oh damn cute, like I like the fact that I'm so happy that I'm ha मेरा जबड़ा खोल के हंस रही हूँ. But yeah, that was like one of my silly insecurities. And lastly, okay, I have like broad shoulders, okay, which I really like because modeling में they prefer it, okay. पर लेकिन जब मैं चलती हूँ, लाइक अभी तो आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा, पर मैं चलती हूँ तो मैं बॉडी गार्ड बन के चलती हूँ. लाइक ओ भाई ओ, लाइक आई हैव दिस वेरी मैस्कुलिन वॉक. और इस चक्कर में मेरे घर वाले भी सारे मुझे बोलते हैं अपने पापा की तरह वॉक करती हूँ, विच मेक्स मी नॉट हेट इट, बट स्टिल लाइक व्हेन यू सी मी वॉक यूड बी लाइक ये मारने आ रही है क्या मुझे? सो अगेन दैट्स अनदर सिली insecurity about me. So even though ये सारी बातें मजाक में होती हैं, but when you're a child, it just sticks with you, and then it stuck with me, and I still think of like much I'm thinking about it now, like years later, at least 10 years later. Yeah, that was that. Like I really don't know मैंने ये video क्यों बनाई और मैंने कैसे बनाई. Like I know मैंने क्यों बनाई है, but like it just came to my mind and I made it, and I'm sort of happy that I put it out there because like now you know exactly how I feel about myself, and I highly encourage you to just do anything that might make you feel better about yourself, because that's what I am also doing, and that's one thing that actually worked. Vaseline lagana didn't work, then fucking eating so much banana and eggs that time didn't work. It's literally your body, and if you're going through puberty, your body is going to change, ठीक है? So आप तो कुछ भी मत करना. मतलब you should like, if you should consult a doctor, because obviously I'm not a doctor, I can't say this stuff, but you don't be hard on yourself, because my body from when I was like 12 to 22 now has changed a lot, 90% for the better. So agar, like I know young girls watch me, don't be so hard on yourself. You look fine, you look great, really. Yeah, which also reminds me, last thing, that when I was a kid, I had this like chubby face, right? So I would like hate it because I never looked hot. Like people with chubby face, they look cute, but I was like, आई नेवर लुक्ड हॉट. तो मैं अपना मुंह पे बार बार गुआशा मारती रहती थी कि कभी मेरा मुंह पतला हो जाए, और वो कभी भी नहीं हुआ. मैं अभी भी नहीं हुआ, एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि अब होगा भी. एंड प्लस लाइक नाउ आई डोंट हेट इट एज मच बिकॉज ऑफ माई बॉयफ्रेंड. लाइक आई हेट सेइंग दैट, बट लाइक so he always says that his favorite part about my body is my face, like my cheeks. So he like, in whatever vlogs you see, I like, now if you want you can go check out our Bangalore vlogs or whatever, but you will see that in most of the videos, if he's near me, he will always be touching my cheek, like he'll always be pulling it and all that. And like and when I like recently started losing weight, like his first question was like, do you think your cheeks have gone down? Because I feel that way, and I was like, okay, well, I guess it's not that bad. So surround yourself with people who love you for who you are, and there's no condition to love. And yeah, that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've watched till this part, like itni aapne meri baatein sun li hai, drop this emoji, girl. Like I just need to know that you watched. But anyway, I'm so grateful. Even if you don't like or comment or anything, I just don't care. But if you like this video and if you want me to talk more about this stuff, let me know, and I will see you in my next one. And I'm mostly going to edit and post it today. So if you're seeing it on a Monday, just be like, damn, Bianchi, because right now it's 2:30 and I'm gonna get on editing this. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. I love you so much. Please don't be hard on yourself. And everybody goes through stuff. If you like, someone might look perfect and the most confident self on the internet, but they're not all the time. Okay? Bye.